Beauty Vicers, Noelle here, and today I want to do a quick video on a new product we just received that I'm really excited about. It is the K18 Molecular Repair Mask, and this is a leave-in mask. It's been out on the market for a while, and there's been a lot of fuss about it because it's supposed to be one of the best masks for repairing hair that has been damaged, either by chemical styling or bleaching or heat styling, which I definitely fall into that heat styling damage section. So I'm excited to show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna show you my hair now prior to using it. And it's a little crazy just because this is what my hair is like usually. So this is it. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to use the K18 leave-in mask. Now, it is called, sorry, I have to put on my glasses because otherwise I can't read this. So it's the K18 leave-in molecular repair hair mask, and it's a 4-minute mask. I made the error. I bought it a couple months ago and I just assumed, oh, it's a hair mask. You basically shampoo your hair, you put it on, and then you go ahead and rinse it out and you go ahead and then style your hair. Incorrect. So I finally sat down with it now that we have it at beautyvice.com, and I read about it. Basically what this is, it's a protein repair mask, and it's created with protein peptides. And what it does is that it helps to get deep inside of the hair follicle and helps to repair the broken keratin bonds that become damaged due to either chemical styling, bleaching, or continuous heat damage that so many of us right now are experiencing. Not just because of blow drying or curling your hair, but also it's so hot outside, and many of you don't realize, many of us don't realize that just the sun exposure that we experience daily damages our hair because it dries it out severely. And right now, I live in Miami. It's so severely hot and so humid that I can feel that my hair has become drier and sometimes more brittle. And therefore, I really need to do something like this to just protect it and give it strength again and elasticity and keep it healthy. The way the K18 mask works, and this is where I went wrong the first time because I made the assumption it was going to be like a regular mask. The way it works is you are going to shampoo your hair. You are not going to condition it. So you're gonna shampoo your hair, you're gonna finish what you're doing in the shower, you're gonna come out, you're gonna towel dry your hair, you're gonna apply it from roots to ends, then you're going to leave it in for 4 minutes. It takes 4 minutes for the mask to actually become absorbed and to be activated properly. So after 4 minutes, then you're going to proceed with styling your hair, however you style it. You're gonna let it air dry, blow dry it, flat iron, however it is that you would regularly style your hair. But it's a leave-in mask, again, so you're not washing it out and you're not using it after a conditioner. The reason why is because if you use a conditioner, the conditioner is going to smoothen the hair shaft, and that's gonna keep it from absorbing correctly into your hair. So again, the directions are you're going to shampoo, towel dry, apply the mask to your hair, roots to ends, wait 4 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and style your hair. You're gonna leave it in. And that's how it's gonna make the big difference. So I'm showing you guys now what my hair looks like, and tonight, I'm going to go ahead and actually apply the mask properly, and I'll show you guys the process as well as the finished product, and you guys will see how amazing this treatment is. So I'll see you in a little bit. We have washed our hair. I did not apply conditioner, as I told you guys, and I hate when I have to do that because my hair just feels not as soft as it should be, but I washed it with my shampoo. Now I went ahead and I towel dried it, finished detangling it. I love using these wide tooth combs because they really truly minimize the amount of pulling. That's really good. So now that I have towel dried hair, I'm going to get my K18 mask. And as I told you guys, this is a 4-minute mask. So it will start to process after throughout that 4 minutes. So you're going to put some in. I'm gonna start at the ends. Make sure I get a good amount on my ends. To the roots. I'm gonna keep on putting some on. Again, you wanna make sure to try and distribute it evenly throughout your whole hair. I'm gonna put a little extra in my ends. That's always the part that I feel the most damaged. So now we're done. That's my son. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush again. And now when you brush, I'm going to leave it again for 4 minutes. The K18 mask, again, it's a leave-in mask. So you're not going to rinse it out. You're gonna put it in your hair and you're gonna leave it in and you're going to go ahead and blow dry, style your hair as you usually would with the mask left in. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 4 minutes as of now. Go ahead and I'll do my skincare routine. As you guys that have been watching know, I'm trying the new Kim Kardashian Skin by Kim line. I'm waiting 30 days. So far, there are certain products that I like. There are certain products that I'm like, not so in love with, but I guess that's part of it. So that's the toner. Then I'm gonna put the hyaluronic acid by her. I always like to get my guasas after I put the serum and do a little bit of guasa. I like using 2 because it saves time. And I just feel like it just feels so much nicer to have 2 at the same time. To just kind of help depuff and tone and help drainage. It's just nice. So there. I'm gonna go in now with her cream. So if you're wondering what you would end up doing for the 4 minutes, I guess, you can go ahead and do your skincare routine. And lastly, the night oil. I love using any extra skincare on my hands. I just think it's great. So there we go. Again, the K18 mask is made for those who have damaged hair, primarily because you have either heat styled your hair and that caused the damage, or chemically processed your hair, so from relaxers or perming, or bleaching. It's a really nice mask that helps to build the protein bonds. And as you can see, it's a nice leave-in mask. I was using it incorrectly the first time that I had bought it. I thought it was a regular hair mask and that you would put it on and leave it on for 10 minutes or whatnot and then wash it out. Therefore, I wasn't impressed the first time, but I also didn't use it correctly. This is a leave-in mask. It does say leave-in, so my bad that I didn't really pay attention to that. Takes 4 minutes to activate and work on your hair, and then you basically seal the mask in by styling your hair and heat styling it or just letting it air dry. But you basically are going to leave it in, you're not going to touch it. Now we're at 4 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair now. And when I am done, I will be back and I will show you guys the results. I'm back and all dry. These are the results. So you can see, super soft hair. It's really shiny, which I'm surprised because when you use these leave-in treatments, sometimes I always feel that, you know, your hair gets dull, and it is not. And the ends feel super healthy. I mean, my ends feel really good. So that's it. I blow dried my hair. I leave this in, and you know, you do this once a week, once every 2 weeks, whenever you feel that you need a little bit of repair. I really love the mask, the K18 mask. It's great for anyone who really needs a little bit boost of strength and elasticity, and just to, like, you know, help boost the keratin bonds that are naturally in your hair shaft and get your hair back to a little bit better health. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and any comments, we always appreciate them. Bye. And don't forget to buy your K18 mask on sale now at beautyvice.com. Bye-bye.